What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your interior with just some products around your house. So this is a DIY clean your interior. Don't want to go to the store, got to get out to that car show, then this video is for you. Okay, let's start this video off with telling you what you need. You're going to need some water. This is about 16 ounces of water and a spare spray bottle that I had laying around the house. Next, we're gonna use some Dawn dish soap. This stuff is amazing. You ever been out on a boat and you spilt some diesel fuel? You can put a bucket with water, drop a rag in there, and sling the rag, and this will dissipate grease and grime and oil on top of water, so it's definitely gonna clean your interior. Next, we're gonna use some good old mineral oil. It says lubricant laxative. Well, we're gonna use this to put a little bit of a shine on the car. And finally, for the cleaning power other than the dish soap, we're gonna use some white distilled vinegar. It's 5% acidity. We're gonna mix all this stuff together, make a little combination of this stuff, and go in there and clean this car. I'll show you how that works in just 1 minute. All right, so I'm gonna start off with just a couple drops, about yay much, not very much of this Dawn dish soap right here. And then I'm gonna go in with the white vinegar. This we're gonna mix almost 50-50. So we're gonna pour the white vinegar in. We're gonna do about 12 ounces of white vinegar. And now for the mineral oil. The mineral oil is gonna give you that shine like your Armor All, so that's what this is for. I'm gonna pour a little bit of that in there. Yes, you're gonna have to shake it up. It does not mix. It's oil on top of water. Put the lid on. And then give it a little shake. It's gonna be a foamy substance like that. Then we're gonna go into the interior of the car. Okay, so that's all the ingredients that we're gonna use. Just the mineral oil, the Dawn dish soap, and the white vinegar and water. So 12 ounces water, 12 ounces the white vinegar, couple drops of the dish soap, and then probably 4 to 6 ounces of the mineral oil. The mineral oil is of course gonna give you that like Armor All shine. All the other ingredients combined is what's gonna get that dirt and grime up. You're also gonna need some clean rags, old rags, it doesn't matter. I went to Walmart, they got rags, like a 3-pack of automotive cotton rags for like $1.92, something like that. So you're gonna need that. Now, we're gonna go into the inside of this car, and it is very dirty. I haven't messed with it in quite a while. I live on a dirt road, I work at a landfill. It's a mess. So if this works, it's definitely gonna work on your car. Let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, if you look, I mean, look at that dust right there, the dust, cup, coffee. The car is pretty disgusting.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
this has been Life in a Mustang. That's a little DIY. Get to that car show. Get your car shining. I know the car wasn't vacuumed, but that's all right. Get you some dish soap, mineral oil, some white vinegar, a spray bottle, and you can get that Armor All looking shine that you've been looking for. So get out there, DIY whatever you can if you gotta. This has been Life in a Mustang. I put up 2 videos every Sunday. One is this tool is cool. The other is some sort of vlog, some sort of how-to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Peace.